Medical emergencies can happen at any time, and it's essential to have a plan in place. A medical authorization form is a vital document that allows someone else to make medical decisions on your behalf if you cannot do so. It gives your chosen representative the power to make critical healthcare choices for you in an emergency, ensuring that your wishes are respected and your medical needs are met. It's a necessary document that everyone should have. You never know when you might find yourself in a situation where you cannot communicate your wishes, and having a medical authorization form in place can give you and your loved ones peace of mind. A medical authorization form is an essential document that allows healthcare providers to share patient health information and designated individuals, such as family members or trusted friends. It's important to note that a medical authorization form should only be used with the patient's informed consent when necessary. In some cases, patients may choose not to authorize anyone to access their medical records, and healthcare providers must respect this decision. This printable medical authorization form is an essential tool for a variety of healthcare practitioners, including doctors, hospitals and clinics, legal representatives, insurance companies, and caregivers and family members. To use our medical authorization form, follow these steps. Download our free medical authorization form off our Carepatron platform, which you can find the link in the description. Ask for the patient's name, address, phone number, date of birth, and other identifying information. Next, identify the authorized recipient. Ask for the name and contact information of the person or organization that will receive the patient's medical information. Next, specify the type of medical information to be shared. Indicate which medical information will be shared by checking the appropriate boxes or providing a detailed description. Next, specify the purpose of the medical information sharing. Explain the reason for sharing medical information such as treatment or insurance claims. Next, specify the duration of the authorization. Indicate how long the medical authorization will take, such as for a specific date or indefinitely. Lastly, obtain the parent's or legal guardian's signature. Ask the patient or legal guardian to sign and date the medical authorization form. Here is a sample of our medical authorization form from our Carepatron platform. To find our medical authorization form, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.